How to share your location on an iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to share your location on your iPhone, first things first, head over to your settings and then scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and then tap on location services and make sure that it is toggled on and you have given access to the app where you want to share the location. Now, I'll show you three apps where you can easily share your location. First things first, go to your messages app and then go to the chat where you want to share the location. And on the left side of the message bar, you'll find the plus icon, tap on it, and then scroll down, search for location, and then you can just hit share. And you can choose indefinitely until end of the day for 1 hour according to your wish and share it. Now, second is WhatsApp. Go to the chat, tap on the plus icon beside the message bar, and there you'll find the location option. And here too, you can tap on share live location, and then you can choose for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, and then just hit send. And that's it. Now, third one is you can go to your Instagram and then go to chats and then tap on the plus icon on the right side and tap on location and then you can share your location again. It's as simple as that to share location on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.